Our ride this morning was on mixed terrain. It was canal towpaths, it was roads. We went over to the Criterium circuit at the Velopark. And I have to say, this bike is a return to the Domane route. It's a pure race bike that can be ridden in mixed terrain. It's an incredible bike. It's super fast around the crit circuit. It feels faster than the Domane of 2019, significantly faster, I have to say, even though it's about 100 grams heavier. It doesn't ride heavy, it rides a lot lighter. Now the silhouette, as you can see, is much more aerodynamic, much racier. That's exactly how it rides. But equally, it feels extremely good on the canal towpaths. We took it off-road for a little bit, and it feels very adept everywhere. And that's this bike's kind of raison d'etre. It's a Swiss Army bike. It's for everything, everywhere, and it does it extremely well. The 2020 Domane is available in two geometry platforms. Endurance, which is like this one, which is in a 54, which is the conventional classic endurance geometry from Trek, which is a little bit shorter, a little bit higher. And it's also available in H1.5 on Project 1, which is a little bit longer, a little bit lower, a little bit racier, slightly steeper head angle. This is a 54. One of the most talked about features about the 2020 Domane is the concealed storage compartment here, which I'm going to show you. So that comes off with a little clip there, and then you've got room here for a little tool pack Allen key, and then in here you can put your spare in, show you an inflator into that space there. Now normally at Cyclefit we're not big fans of extraneous Tupperware that's adorning the bike, but this is pretty neat and doesn't interrupt the look and the flow of the bike, and it does clip there very securely. So we took this bike out this morning for an extended test ride, and I'd like to run over some of the features of the 2020 bike versus the 2019-18 bike. This is the Mark III Domane. First thing is that the Isospeed decoupler has moved from the seat tube onto the top tube like the Domane SLR, which makes it more responsive, more adjustable, and more comfortable and compliant. The second feature about this bike versus the 2019 Domane is it's more aerodynamic, and it's probably worth a minute per hour at 40 km per hour. The Domane follows Domane's path of system integration, which we particularly love because it's much more aerodynamic. This bike saves about 12 watts at 40 km an hour. And it does that by having a much narrower silhouette to the wind and also integrated cable routing. At the front here it's semi-integrated, so you can travel with the bike easily, take off the bar and the stem, pack in a box. And as you go back, you'll see that all the cables and the hydraulics are completely routed internally and then elegantly just emerge from here to go into the disc. Other things we like about this bike, 2020 bike, we love the T47 threaded bottom bracket, no more creaking, not that Trek's ever did of course. We also love the XXX4 wheels, which are absolutely unbelievable. A very understated hero of a wheel, this one. Other things we like, Isocore bar, adds a wee bit of comfort. Also new for this year, part of Trek's ongoing system integration is the internal seat mast there. For the sake of impartiality, anything we don't like. A couple of things. I'm not man keen on a 42cm bar on a size 54 frame. Also, I'm not particularly keen on a 172.5 crank on a 54cm frame. That seems to be too long to me. However, I would say most of what we do here at Cyclefit is Project 1, and these things we would change with the client when we're speccing the bike. So finally, elephant in the room, one thing we haven't mentioned is the prismatic paint, which is absolutely beautiful and fantastic in the sunlight as it changes colour. An upcharge on P1.
Wow. There we are.